Hello, I'm Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks and welcome to this stunning property just outside Franschhoek. We're going to go on a detailed overview of the technical project that we completed here, including incoming internet, network, Wi-Fi, audio, video, integration of Bang Olufsen, Sonos and Crestron. We hope you enjoy this technical overview. This is the master bedroom in this house, and we have a Samsung QLED television on a Vogel's floor stand. The choice to have this floor stand was to create a unique and interesting perspective for the TV because we wanted to have a floor standing television unit. Putting the TV onto a wall bracket would have just lost the sense of it being a feature of the room, and it would have just made it as though this is a TV viewing area as opposed to focusing on the fireplace. To complement this, we have audio coming through the Bang Olufsen speakers, and we're able to switch this to use Sonos to play music in this master bedroom suite as well. For ease of use of anybody that's coming to stay here, we've used a Crestron remote control. The remote control is able to switch the TV on and off, control the volume. It's also able to switch sources to Apple TV and DSTV, and we're able to control the DSTV and the Apple TV. So a single handheld universal remote control that makes it easy for anybody that's coming to stay here. For ease of use, we have added instructions to the back of the remote control so that if anybody has never used a Crestron remote control before, it's simple for them to be able to use the system, and that's simply from switching on to switching off, volume included, etc. This is the master bathroom, and we have some Boston Acoustics in-ceiling speakers installed here, and to be able to provide the audio for this bathroom we have a Sonos amplifier. This allows enough audio to be able to relax in the bath and listen to some music in the background, as well as in this outdoor splash pool. This is the Pajama lounge, and similarly to the master bedroom, for ease of use we have implemented a Crestron remote control system where you're able to control the television, in this instance a surround sound amplifier for the surround sound that's in this room, the DSTV decoder and the Apple TV. One of the requests by the owner of this project was to have the Bang Olufsen CD player available throughout the entire house. He also wanted to be able to bring streaming music services into this project. So what we did is we implemented a Sonos-based solution where the CD player is a source on the Sonos solution that allows us to have the audio available throughout the entire property, as well as being able to have the streaming music services available from Sonos plugged into the CD player here that allows us the sound in this greater living room area. So the Bang Olufsen speakers here have the Sonos music playback. This is a top-down view of the Bang Olufsen speakers that are in this living area. On this outdoor pool terrace, we have integrated Boston Acoustics outdoor speakers into the pergola so that whether you're enjoying sundowners or in the swimming pool, you can enjoy some of the music in this space as well. As expected, throughout this property, both indoors and outdoors, we've made sure that there is Wi-Fi coverage throughout. This is where we've located our equipment rack in this property, and what we've chosen to do here is work on as many independent services as possible for the property. Unfortunately, we had some challenges with bringing fiber into the property as an internet service, so we've implemented an MTN-based LTE solution with a pointing antenna on the roof, which is directed at the nearest MTN tower for our internet services. This has given us a reliable internet service, and the speed is very consistent. In this equipment rack, we have the rest of the services for the house as well, being a Arachnus router, which we're able to monitor remotely. We have a Crestron MC3 processor, which is the brains of all the universal remote controls in the house. Obviously the DSTV decoders are located here, and some of the Sonos amplifiers that provide signal for the master bathroom, the Sonos port for the master bedroom, and then obviously to tie everything together, we've got some Arachnus network switches which provide the network connectivity for all the devices. So this is the central equipment rack for this property.